Welcome back to my channel. This is Natasha. In today's video, I will be doing a Zara unboxing haul. If you are new to my channel, just want to say hi. Thank you for watching my video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you want to see more fantastic videos like this. My Zara box took about 7 days for it to be delivered. I'm just going to let you know what fantastic pieces are inside. When I received my parcel, I was so excited. I was like, oh, can't wait to open it just to see what was inside of it. Because normally when you go shopping and you get stuff delivered, it comes in a plastic bag or you get it delivered in a plastic bag. So it was quite cute just getting it delivered in a box. It just makes you feel so excited. You're like, oh, what's in there? What's in there? I really like about when I opened the box is that it came wrapped. Like, who does that? I mean, I really love that. I thought I was receiving a present. I know it's stuff that I've purchased, but I felt like, oh my god, someone sent me a present. I thought that was a great touch. I think Zara did well with that. Let's see what the first piece is. Ooh, I like this. This is a crop jumper that I got. Ooh, I can't wait to try this piece on. I love this color. I am so over black. Who needs to wear black? I mean, it makes you look slim, but you can just add a bit of color to your outfit. Look at this, how this purple crop top looks. This just looks great on. And you can still pretend it's some in your head if you're wearing this. That's what I like about it. Show a little bit of skin. It's got a padded shoulder, so it gives a little bit of, but I really like it. What I like about it is that around the waist, this elastic is not too tight. So I love that, but this is nice. These are these cute beige jogging bottoms. Yeah, ooh, they're very soft. Fantastic jogging bottoms. What I really like is that the feel of it. I don't really wear jogging bottoms because it's just not me, but when I saw these, I was like, I'm gonna try them. And they are so comfortable, they're so soft. The feel of them is like, I think I'm keeping these. I think these are definitely a must-have. Very comfortable, very soft. The feel of it is very light. It feels like if you almost wearing nothing, how soft it is. I really, really like that. What? These are perfect if you're working from home, if you're gonna go walk your dogs. I think I am definitely keeping this. The next piece is this purple skirt. Ooh, I love that. This is very stretchy. So this is a purple skirt. And this is the way that it looks. The material is very stretchy, as you can see. I love that about it. I think this looks fantastic also. The next piece is this purple stretchy material dress. Ooh, the material is really, really soft. I really love that. Ooh. I'll let you know what it's like. As you can see, it's very long and it's perfect if you're gonna wear it with boots. This is a purple dress, and as you can see, this is the way that it looks. It's very stretchy. It's also got a padded shoulder. I love that. This hugs you in all the right places. It's perfect if you're working from home. I love the color. I love the feel of it. This dress is like the perfect color for autumn. I really love how it looks. I love this. I think this is another great piece from Zara. This is this short skirt. Oh, look at that. And it's got a little tiny split. I can't wait to try this one on as well. But I love the length, but I got this in a medium and it feels too tight around my waist. I think if you're a bit curvy, you're gonna have to probably get the next size up. But this skirt, like I said, I really like this. This is really, really great. I love the little split that you get, so if you're wearing tie-hair boots, this is gonna look fantastic. But it's a bit too small for me, so I'll have to. I thought that this would go perfect with a short red skirt that I just have. So I can't wait to try this on with the short skirt so you can see how it looks. Here, this red pearl jumper with the skirt, just to show you like how the colors go well together. I'm just going to tuck it in just to give it a bit of shape because I think it's a little bit too long if you wear it with the short skirt. But this material, this is so comfortable, so soft. It feels like if you're almost wearing nothing on like it is. I think the two of them, they go really well together. What do you think? So I thought I'd get a little black dress because I don't really have any black dress in my wardrobe. And I love the feel of this. The material is satin and I really like the little button details. I really love that. And I really love how it looks on the top. It has a button that goes all the way down to here. I don't really like that it's got a bit of sewing there. I don't like that. But it gives it that feel. But wait until I scroll down and you see the bottom half of it. It looks really great on the top. It's like all the buttons. It's got two buttons on the side. I like that. This would be perfect if it was a shirt. It looks great. It feels fantastic. I love that. So this is the bottom half of the dress and this is the way that it looks. As you can see, I can't zip it up because if I do, I think I'll rip it. I got this in a size medium and I think if you do have calves or you've got a bit of a booty, you are definitely going to need the next size up. It would look amazing if it was an actual dress, but like I said, it looks more like a shirt. The next piece is this brown leather dress. Ooh. I think when I try this on, this might look really fantastic. Look at that detail. Look at how low it is. Ooh. Next item is this brown leather dress. I thought this would be fantastic for a girl's night out, but it looks a bit puffy here because I can't really zip it up. It's too small for me. I got this in a size medium. I really love the color, but it's way too short for me. I can't zip it up. Like I said, I think if you're a bit curvy, you have to get the next size up in Zara pieces. I like the padded details. I think I'm into padded outfits. We're almost there. There's two pieces left for me to show you what's in the Zara unboxing haul. And this piece, ooh, I love this. Look at the details. It's this padded crop jumper. Ooh, I can't wait for you to see how this will look on. This is the knitwear jumper. It's got padded on the shoulder. I love the details. I also love this. To me, this looks futuristic. I love like the high neck. I really love it. I love the crop details. It looks from the back. I really like that. But the material is made of wool, so you're gonna have to definitely wear something under it. The only thing I don't like is hair. That if you get this pulled on anything, I feel like you're gonna ruin the jumper. But that's the only thing I don't like. But beside that, I love everything about it. I really love this. I think this is a great piece. From Zara, and it's a black satin skinny jeans. It's got a little bit of stretch to it, so I like that. Right. So as you can see, I didn't show you how the black jeans look because it couldn't fit me. I got it in a size 12 and it was too small. It couldn't even come over my leg. But I thought the material felt great and it had a little bit of stretch to it, but I'm just a bit disappointed that it couldn't fit me. That was the only thing. The final piece of item from Zara was this white cotton shirt that I got from them. This actually came on its own, even though I'd ordered it with all the other pieces. So this is how the crop top looks on. I love the fact that it's a crop top, but what I don't like, I got this in a medium. It's way too big for me. I thought a medium would fit, seeing that all the other pieces that I got was in a size medium. But as you can see, it's way too big. Even if I try and button it up, it's just way too big for me. But I love that it's crop top. I love that it's cotton. It's really soft, but this piece is I'll definitely have to get a smaller size because this is way too big for me. But I love that the fact that it's got a crop top. Thank you for watching my video. That was my very first Zara unboxing haul. Comment down below and let me know which pieces that you like. My favorite piece was this purple crop top, and I also love the beige jogging bottom. All items are linked in the description box. And if you're new to my channel, just want to say hello again. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you want to see more fantastic videos like this. Take care. See you in my next video. Bye.